When working in Photoshop, always save as a Photoshop file, .psd. This will prevent accidental alterations to the original files and images. When an image is directly open with Photoshop, it remains an image file, such as PNG or JPEG. To save as a Photoshop document, navigate to File, Save As. Then, enter a name. Select a storage location. Click the Format drop-down and select Photoshop. When done, click Save. This file keeps all layers, adjustments, and quality intact for future editing. When finished editing the project, it will need to be exported as a document or image file such as PDF or PNG in order to be shared and accessible outside of Photoshop. To do so, navigate to File, Save As. Follow the same steps as before, and select the desired format this time. If additional windows appear, select the settings as desired. More information about Photoshop can be found in our other videos, as well as the PLU knowledge base.